Hi Shivu,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. Like this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placement, Shivaprasad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can you introduce yourself about your college and native?
Okay, ma'am. First, my name is Shivaprasad, ma'am. I am from Vijayapura. I have completed my civil engineering from BLDEA Vijayapura, ma'am. 2024 pass out.
Okay, that's nice. Have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
My friend through, ma'am.
Like your friends also completed the course. How it is?
Yes, ma'am. My senior also completed here only. And my present friends also completed.
Okay. Like for which course you have joined for?
Ma'am, offline CACM course, ma'am, plus PV.
Okay, like in advanced construction management, what are the new topics you have learned? How the course helped you to build up your career?
Ma'am, in the advanced construction management, I learned from very basic, ma'am, regarding unit conversion, methodology, sequence of construction, from very basic to like BBS, quantity takeoff, QS, QA, and few site visits.
Okay, like as you mentioned, the site visits, what are the sites you have covered and the showroom visits?
When it comes to civil sites, ma'am, like I have visited Green Building, ma'am, Victoria Hospital, and RMC plant, and still I'm more up there, ma'am. And when it comes to regarding interior, I have visited 60 interiors showroom site. After that, design cafe, IBO, and more, ma'am.
Okay, I think you have learned more things in this site visits, like practical classes, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, like can you differentiate between your theory and the practical? How it helped you out?
When it comes to theory, we only get to know how the process will happen and what are the things involved in that, what are the steps involved in the process. And when it goes to factory or something like that, we get to know what is the exactly thing. When it comes to in theory class, it is different, ma'am. They tell us different, but when it comes to practical, that is a different experience, ma'am.
Okay, sure. Like, how was your preparation for your interview? How you started preparing yourself for the interviews?
I only read the notes which given from CMTI, like handbook estimation that regarding and few guidance of Natarajan sir's interview guidance, and that's all.
Okay, sure. How was your rounds in the company? What are the rounds you have attended?
First of all, it technical round, ma'am. The 40 questions regarding civil engineering, ma'am. After that, there is a reasoning and aptitude round, ma'am. After the completion of that, a few persons shortlisted. After that, there will be a group discussion round, ma'am. After completion of group discussion, there will be HR round, ma'am, senior HR and HR. After that, the final round is directors round.
Okay, now for which role you have selected for?
I have selected as a graduate trainee engineer, ma'am, in Satwa.
Okay, like I think you're happy with your role and the placement.
Yes, ma'am, I am very happy.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about CMTI?
Okay, ma'am. It is a good platform, ma'am, to those who have passed out recently, ma'am. And it is a good platform to get good knowledge regarding the civil engineering. And after that, they will get placed in a good company, ma'am, which role they want and which company they want, they will get placed there, ma'am.
Okay, Shibu, thank you for your feedback. Nice talking with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shibu.